Samsung's foldable phones haven't altered all that much. Although the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a redesigned and improved hardware, it still has the same problems as the previous model: a prominent crease in the center of the primary display, a cover screen that is too small, and a poor battery life. The Galaxy Z Fold May 7th have at least one of these issues resolved by Samsung. Samsung often purchases its panels from them, even though Samsung Display is a different business from the one that produces phones. The creaseless panel is likely to be included into the Z Fold 7 now that it is ready. Android headlines predict that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be a very thin 4.5mm when unfurled and just 9.5mm thick when closed, including the camera bump. It will be the biggest foldable screen in its class, at least for the time being, thanks to its enormous 8.2-inch inner display and 6.5-inch cover screen. The gadget may measure 58.4 by 143.1 by 4.5mm when completely enlarged, suggesting a potential change in the internal display's aspect ratio. Samsung has not yet verified the precise resolution, however. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 was shown next to the new screen, and there was a noticeable difference. The new panel hardly has any creases and resembles the Honor Magic V3 or Oppo's Find N5. At least in this regard, the Galaxy Z Fold May 7th finally compete with Chinese foldable phones, since Samsung's devices have often seemed antiquated in comparison to Chinese brands that provide lighter, thinner designs with fewer obvious creases. Compared to the Z Fold 6, the new technology significantly reduces the visibility of the wrinkle. According to reports, the Fold 7's hardware will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 for Galaxy, the same CPU that powers the S25 series, and its battery capacity will likely stay the same. Upgrades to cameras could include switching to a main sensor with 200 megapixels. Even yet, a lot of the camera's hardware could still resemble that of the Fold 6. However, given Samsung, there is no assurance that this new display will be used. We will have to wait till the Z Fold 7 is released later this year. Nothing has been confirmed yet, but July is the anticipated release date. More information should be available in the next weeks. Samsung seems to be responding to the main requests of consumers of foldable phones with a slimmer design and bigger screens. The Fold May 7th be among Samsung's most alluring foldables to date if it meets these expectations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.